Hey YouTube family, so remember the muffins I made? Oh, I took a bite out of that one, but look how they turned out. Alright, so let me grab another one and show you. I'm getting ready for work. Show you how it came out. Look at that. Yay. I mean, it's got a hole in it because I stuck a butter knife in it as I was cooking it. But remember, I made this with the pancake batter, and I added banana and peanut butter in it. So they turned out pretty good. I just had to calm down and let them cool off. Look at that. Nice. Nice. So I can eat one in the morning. And you can say this is like a little protein snack. It has blueberries in it as well. Look at the other one. Came out pretty good. Pretty good. See, I was messing with them last night, and so I think, yeah, that was my fault. Oh, look at that one. Wow. Oh. Can you believe I woke up? I went to sleep yesterday at about 5 p.m. I woke up at midnight, cooked my lunch for the whole week, and went back to sleep. Can you believe I'm up right now, getting ready to go to work? It is 5:11 a.m. Gotta be at work at 6. But look, nice, right? Look at that. Nice. I think I'll take this one to work. And I have 2 more pans, so I'll eat on this all week. And as simple as that, the girl is ready to go to work. I'm going to wrap those in foil separately. And this is what you do. As a truck driver, you take time to prepare a meal for yourself, so you can be a little healthy. So I'll put those right in here. Got my lunch, got my fruit. I keep water in my truck so I don't have to grab water. Of course, I'm taking my homemade pickles and eat those, snack on those. And that is it. And I have my drink. Oh, let me show you how the ice tray turned out. So remember, I made my drink with the chia seeds, the honey, lemon, lime, and apple cider vinegar. All ready to go. But I don't need them today, so I would just pop one of these out, put it in this cup, add some more water to it, and warm it up in the microwave, and then I'm good to go. So I'll eat on these. I probably can do like 2 or 3 of them at one time. But look, they frozen. And this is my drink to slim down that waist and keep your digestive system open and flowing and going and not clogged up. So this is what I did. I put it in the ice tray and put it in the freezer. It already has the honey in it, and I showed that in the video where I was making it. And it took me an hour to prepare everything. Prepare my lunch, prepare my drink that I normally drink in the morning, which you should be drinking something warm in the morning. So I'm just going to pop that in the microwave because that was from last night. I couldn't drink it all. And so I'll have that for this morning. And now I am preparing myself to go to work. Took me, what, 2 minutes to prepare my lunch, to get everything together. So I got my waist trainer, my bag. Oh, let me grab my keys out of here. Waist trainer. I'm going to put that on once I get to work. I got all these bags. I'm a teacher too, so I'm used to carrying a lot of bags. I keep work with me just in case. but I have time to do it. So now I am prepared to go to work. Bye-bye. See you soon. Have a good day. Truckers. Woo!